I can't tell you. I can't tell you how proud I am.
Smell good.
You know, it's such a great character bunch. It's unbelievable. I knew they couldn't stop us. It was our turn to win. And those that thought we were done after last week, forget about Michigan and all the tradition. You're a great bunch of guys. You deserve every bit of this. Every bit of it. Yeah. And I'm so happy for you. I'm happy for you. It was a great
Hail to the victors, valiant! Hail to the conquering heroes! Hail to Michigan, the leaders and best! Hail to the victors, valiant! Hail to the conquering heroes! Hail to Michigan, the champions of the world!
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. A quick update on the market. The market's not really doing much. You can see Bitcoin's up 1%. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.3%. What's some of these coins that you got? Let's look at Matic. You can see Matic's looking like we're in this weekly and monthly symmetrical triangle, right? So what I would say Matic looks like it's probably going to do is get rejected up here and trade back down towards here. And that's kind of what we've been forecasting here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. So we'll keep an eye on that. And Matic, Algo has got a nice consolidation right now after a phenomenal pump. And if we zoom back in right now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see we got rejected at that $1.90. We'll zoom out to the 4 hourly. And you can see we got some major overhead resistance. It's obvious. You can see that. I can see it. We all can see it. We're coiled up in the symmetrical triangle, right, with our nice support and resistance lines. You can see that. Multiple hits on the top. Multiple hits on the bottom. It's more like that. Let's pull that out. There is your major overhead resistance, right? And then we got your possible breakdown target, right, which would be down there. If you break down out of this, this would be your target into there, right? And an upside target would be way up there for fabulous, glowing, devil enticing double top. See how it looks like devil horns? See that? Look at that. That's what you could do on the break up, right? This pattern is going to break imminent. Breakdown target is like this. From the top of the pattern to the bottom to the point of a breakout, and then you can see that's how we get to that target down there. Look at that. See that? And then the target on the upside would simply just be from the breakout, and the target move would come right up to about there, right? So there's your targets on the break up, on the break down, as the coins haven't really done much. The Shiba did pump. See that? It hit our target beautifully that we had on here. And I took it off. And that would have simply been from the bottom of this channel to the top to the point of a breakout. And you can see it came up essentially to the top of the target, right? It was a beautiful call by Vincenzo. This was a coin, special coin request that I gave to members of Jabroni Killers, and that got it on the first beginner technical trading chart class, which there will be an update coming out soon. And this had a possible 50% move on the break out, which could have been the break down or the break up. And this happened to break up, right? And the pattern that we were in way back that we were following was a symmetrical triangle, and the pattern was up here. It was very early on in this pattern when we did this, so none of this price action was there. All we had to work with was a top, lower support, upper resistance, and then we thought it would come down there, and it did, right? It came right down there. See that a couple days later, right there. And then it bounced up off of that. The moving average was right there. And then the break up target was up there, and the breakdown target that we gave you, because this was a neutral continuation pattern, but we knew it was going to break imminent. The breakdown target was like this, right? And the break up and the breakdown were going to be phenomenal moves either way. They were going to be about a 43.69% move. It was about a 50% move on the upside. Phenomenal call, and that was on a trading alert. Now I would expect, as we went over yesterday in the Shiba, when the price was still up here, we said it's probably going to come retest now. And then if you fail that, you're going to end up coming all the way down to that target down there in an up and down volatile, jagged fashion, right? So that's what's going on there. The Bitcoin, a quick wrap up on retest weekend. You can see we came down to the 200-day moving average. And I think there's some more room to come down a little bit lower to retest too. I think we might try to come back down to that box down there, but we'll keep an eye out on that in retest weekend as the futures have opened and the price continues to slip. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing and Sidestop and Audible, the criminal gangster cartel DSD, Ohio State University, brother, so you can fleece, heist, and shyster, fleece, heisters, and shysters, and walk away with all the fucking money. Peace and love.